was 7 pounds of boost right there. Downshift. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the hardest installs, this rear diffuser for sure, because you had to cut the entire rear bumper. So if I take out the plate, you can see where I cut, but this rear bumper is cut. So when I drive, the POV style video should be better, and I'm gonna put it on, test it out right now. Looks like it's about to rain a little bit, but I'm gonna test out this new product, and also gonna drop off some packages at the post office. And again, thanks for all of you guys for the amazing support. Let me show you guys a cold start real quick, and then we'll head out. Thing that I showed you guys, the extender. See if I change the lanes right now, super easy. Downshift again. Gotta watch out for these guys. No, okay. Love the sound of this thing. Now let's pull up right behind this Honda. Imagine if I come out of the post office and then the car's all crashed up. Yo, that would suck. All right, dropped off the packages. Once again, thank you guys for the amazing support. It really means a lot to me. Every day I'm super thankful for that. But there it is. Let's go before our car comes over here to get killed. As you can see right there, I can see the camera. So it's framing up the shot. All right, let's get out of here. I can't wait for my damned wheel to get here. I know a lot of you guys were asking why it's gonna take 5 to 6 months for my steering wheel to get here. Normally that's how it is for Japanese parts. They usually make them by order. So it usually takes a couple months for that, and then to go through like the shipping process, through customs and all that. So that's why it takes so long. That's why the JDM wait is real. I think a cinematic shot under this overpass would look so dope. This is where the BART trail passes, or the BART train. Got a classic right here, El Camino. Hey, he said, what's up? Should I fill up on some E85 right now? I'm probably gonna wait until the 91 runs out, to be honest. Hey! Straight daily driven STI. Shifts. That was 7 pounds of boost right there. Downshift. Yo, this thing feels so planted, especially with the tranny mount, pitch stop mount, and engine mounts, all by Beat Rush. So everything's super tight, steady. Throttle response again is amazing. This is on 91 octane, guys. It's still pretty responsive. Downshift. Hit it with another downshift. wondering which diffuser I have, so I'm just gonna go straight. I'm gonna show you guys what kind of diffuser this is. I'm gonna pull up to a parking lot and then kind of just go over it with you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. It's the beat rush shift knob. Not bad. I like it. Doesn't get too hot in the summer. This thing purrs so nice. Yo, I can't ever get tired of this sound. Looks like it wants to rain, but at the same time it doesn't. It's been sprinkling for like the past 30 minutes. I want it to rain so I can do some pulls, but I don't know if it's gonna rain right now. Some cherry blossoms. Hey, sit off that car. This is like the perfect spot for like a little car meet. Here, just to kind of show you guys. Off the car. All right, so let me show you guys which diffuser I have on the car. I know a lot of you guys ask so many questions about this diffuser, but this is the HKS Kansai carbon fiber rear diffuser. Let me take off my head unit real quick. All right, so I know a lot of you guys ask questions all the time with regards to which diffuser this is, so I'm going to tell you guys right now. And if you guys still haven't watched that model list overview video, please do so, because I talked about every single model that's on the car. I'll leave that video in the description below, or you can just check it out on my Subaru STI vlog playlist. But this is the HKS Kansai carbon fiber rear diffuser. This diffuser is made by order. Once again, it took about I want to say maybe 5 months for it to get here. I also added another detail to the diffuser. This is the Kansai service gold badge, and I got it again from Rare Evo Parts on Instagram. But it goes with the diffuser very well. I mean, obviously it's the same company that makes the diffuser, but it just makes it stand out a little bit more. And on top of that, it also goes with my gold wheels. There's two versions, by the way. The mature version goes all the way up to here, or possibly even higher. Like the carbon fiber extends all the way up to here, but this is the normal version, the low cut version. And this diffuser was not cut to fit this exhaust. My friend and I cut it to make sure it fit with my Tomei. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the hardest installs, this rear diffuser for sure, because you have to cut the entire rear bumper. So if I take out the plate, you can see where I cut, but this rear bumper is cut, I want to say maybe up to like right here, all around, of course, where it tapers down right there. And on top of that, there's also a metal bracket that I had to cut. It's hiding under the very bottom right there. And then I also had to cut this side over here to make sure it was compatible with my exhaust. The diffuser is also attached to the rear trunk. Let me show you guys over here in the trunk. Gosh, forgot I have the latch not open. This EddieNuffSaid jet tags in the back. That says the end in Japanese. Of course, got a lid for the rumble. Got the blob eye right there in the heartbeat. So, alright, put this key back in here. I don't want to lose it. Alright. So, check it out. So the diffuser is also attached to my rear trunk, right where the spare tire would be located. The tire well. Hold on, I gotta put it. It's right there. Notice those bolts and the studs. I have them all around the trunk, again, to hold that rear diffuser in place. So that's just to make sure the diffuser is secure, make sure that it won't fly out when I'm driving. But so essentially, to install, trim the rear bumper, and then make sure you trim out where the exhaust is at, because it will hit if you don't trim. Bolt onto the rear trunk, and also cut the metal frame. And then of course the titanium Tomei exhaust. It looks like it's getting a little yellow. I don't know, maybe I just have to polish it or something. But so yeah, there's a Tomei. Check it out. Check out the entire straight pipe all the way down. Pretty cool. Rear spats look a little dirty. Tome. The Kansai badge. So that's it. I just wanted to drive over here. This is a nice little spot where I always film. I wanted to drive over here and show you guys which diffuser this is. Kind of wanted to dedicate this video solely for that. But let's get out of here before it starts raining. And I got things to do. Let's go. And the last picture that I posted on my Instagram, I posted it right here. I parked the car right there, and then I had the cherry blossoms. Shout out to all you guys. I know you guys showed a lot of support through that picture. I think it almost had 10,000 likes, something like that. Yo, I'm just cruising. I'm not even stepping on the car, and it's already hella loud. Up the windows. But I think that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this new head unit mount for my GoPro. Hopefully it's a little bit more steady this way. I'm gonna be back to normal uploads. I was just down for the last week because I had my wisdom teeth pulled out. So I'm still recovering. My face is a little swollen. But I should be uploading more this week. I got some dope content coming out. I'm also gonna be at the Clean Culture car show. So if you guys go out there, make sure you say what's up. I'm gonna be bringing down some die cut stickers, some little merchandise. So come say what's up, the Clean Culture Stockton car show. Until then, guys, peace out, take care.